We all love a quick and easy skillet recipe for a weeknight meal, especially when it's packed with incredible flavor and we'll have dinner on the table in less than 20 minutes. I'm making Italian sausage pasta. The ingredients are simple. You will need whole wheat pasta cooked as directed on the label, olive oil, sweet Italian sausage, minced garlic, fresh baby spinach, Parmesan cheese, and black pepper. First up, cook your pasta and reserve about 1/4 cup of the water and then drain the rest. Now, let's add some olive oil to a skillet. Thinly slice your sausage and you're going to cook it for about 3 minutes or until lightly browned. Our sausage is just about done. Now I'm going to add our minced garlic and we're going to cook, stirring frequently for about 30 seconds. All right, it's time to add our spinach. We're going to cook it till it's just about wilted, followed by our pasta and that reserved water. We're just about done. Lastly, let's stir in our Parmesan cheese and our black pepper. Cook just a couple minutes more and then we're going to move it from the heat. Oh my goodness, it smells so wonderful. All the flavors here combined pair so well. You have the sweet and savory from the sausage. You got your fresh greens. You got the nuttiness from the Parmesan cheese. Delicious. You guys enjoyed this and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Food.